What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is part 5, which is the last part of configuring Proxmox network using pfSense. So let's get right into it. All right, so part 5, this is the final part. On part 4, we left off here. In part 4, I got my notes right here. Always got my notes. Part 4, we configured the LAN and the WAN, and this is the last thing that we did together. So today, we are going to be going over logging into the portal and then configuring it. I'm not going to be doing too much on this video. It's really simple. Behind the scenes, I already created a virtual machine, and it is this one right here. This is actually my domain controller. I opened up the Microsoft Edge and I typed in that IP address that we saw in part 4, which is this one. Remember that one? That is the gateway for the pfSense to get into it. So hit enter, boom. Now by default, and I got my notes right here, by default, the pfSense username and password is admin, and the password is pfSense, all lowercase. Enter that information, click on login. Actually, don't click on login, click on sign in. That's what it says, sign in. Click sign in, and it takes you here. Now, first thing that I did within my environment is I clicked on the system tab, gives you a nice little side menu, and I clicked on general setup. Took me here, I provided my domain, and I gave it a DNS as well as a secondary DNS, which is Google's DNS. Why not? Take advantage of it. It's free. Awesome. And on the drop-down menu for the gateway, I switched it to LAN GW, which is gateway. I went all the way down, scroll down, click on save, and it is saved. And the last thing that I did within my environment is you see that red banner warning. It's red. It was driving me crazy. It's driving me crazy now. So if you click on change the password in the user manager, that is a hyperlink. It's going to take you here. And all you have to do is just provide a new password and confirm the password. Scroll down a little bit and then click on save. And that's it. That's basically what I did within this environment. And I was up and running. Every time I created a new virtual machine within my Proxmox lab, it got a new IP address within the pfSense router, firewall, or whatever you want to call it. And I was good to go. I think later on, I did change it a little bit because within my domain controller, I installed the DHCP server or services, and I gave it a different IP address. And then I went inside the pfSense and I disabled the DHCP server on the pfSense, and I enabled DHCP relay, which I'm going to show you guys in the future, hopefully, if I remember. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.